What's up YouTube? I just got back from an incredible weekend being hosted by Redbull for a VIP experience at the Redbull Grand Prix of the Americas at COTA here in Austin, Texas for the US MotoGP. We got to do some incredible things this weekend, so there's going to be plenty of content coming soon on the channel, but this video here is going to be about the hot lap that I was able to do in the M2 safety car for the MotoGP. I'll tell you what, this video does not do that M2 a justice. It looks like in the video it's a smooth ride, but we were flying when I was sitting in the front seat with the driver. He had everything under control. I was speechless. I didn't know what to say. So don't mind some of the commentary I have from within the car, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, make sure to like and subscribe, and we have plenty more MotoGP content coming from this awesome experience. Thank you very much to the Red Bull team. I had a blast, and it was really a dream come true.
Put the four-point bell, okay? 1, 2, and 3, 4.
Okay.
All right, that's good.
I dropped this on my simulator, but not in real life.
You keep saying that?
No way. Let's go, thank you.